What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a 9-month update for you on our hair loss exploration with Cody Branson of Flagship Pomade. We're going to connect with him here in a second, but today is going to be our 9-month update. So 9 months ago, we started on this journey to try to help Cody with some hair loss problems that he was experiencing with the help of Scandinavian Biolabs and their kit of products that are designed to help combat these types of issues. Now, you can actually go back and watch every video that we've done in this year-long test. You can actually go back to the very beginning and see where we started and all of our updates up until this point, this being our ninth month in the year-long test. So we will have one more video after this to complete the entire year study. Today we've got a kind of a special treat though. We've actually got some video submissions from some experts over at Scandinavian Biolabs. And just to give you a little backstory on what we're about to see here, a couple weeks ago, I had Cody send them some 360 video of his head. And what they did over there at Scandinavian Biolabs was they had two of their experts respond back to us in video. So they sent us a couple of videos, and I'm going to watch those videos with Cody and kind of discuss it with him real quick. So first, we're going to connect with Cody on Zoom here, and we're going to get this whole thing kicked off and going. Hey, buddy, how are you?
Good. Yourself?
Not too bad. Can you hear me okay?
Yep, everything's good on my end.
Perfect. Welcome to the channel once again. This is your 9-month update. I just gave him a little bit of backstory on where we're at. As you know, we've got a couple of videos submissions to us from Scandinavian Biolabs to take a look at. I think it's going to be pretty cool. I'm excited to take a look at those with you. But beforehand, I'm gonna go ahead and put those videos that you had sent them up on the screen for everybody to see. This is kind of like the official 9-month update, and I'm going to put next to them where we started, just so we can get like a month 1 to month 9 type of deal going. What are you seeing before we jump into the video experts? What are you seeing with the kit and your results?
It's pretty much just, I haven't seen much loss, which is good. All in all, I feel like I have maybe a little bit better hair, or I say more hair, not better hair, in the sense that whenever I'm trying to say not wear a hat or put product in the hair, I can kind of make it work. So at least feels more full in some of the areas.
Awesome. Yeah. And so you're still using the same kit, which is the shampoo, conditioner, and the serum, correct?
Correct.
Any issues or anything going on with those that you've been able to see or experienced or anything?
No, I like how all of them work. The conditioner's nice and thick. The shampoo strips everything out of the hair really well, which I think is kind of the point, so that you let the conditioner do its job. And any
skin conditions, or because I know at some point, like we mentioned, or you mentioned to me, like what you thought might be dermatitis or something like that.
Yeah, I have a little bit of dermatitis. I'm not sure if it has anything to do with the product necessarily. I think it does come down to possibly not letting my scalp breathe enough, because I've been wearing a lot more hats.
Wearing the hat too much?
It does kind of line up. But that was the only thing I had noticed. I just didn't know if, I don't think they necessarily are related after I've taken some time to kind of think about my activities on a daily basis,
Right. So. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead. What we're going to do is take a look first at this submission here. Let's move on to the video number 1. So here we got our first one here. Let's take a look.
Hi, my name is Celestine Gitao, a hair care specialist at Scandinavian Biolabs. Cody's hair has definitely gotten fuller, and this has happened in 2 ways. The hair follicles that were still existing and viable but were not producing hair before, some of them could have already started producing hair, improving the density of the hair in general. The other thing is that the existing hair has gotten better in terms of girth and thickness, thus improving the density of hair on the particular part that Cody has been using the serum on. The dermatitis that Cody is experiencing possibly could not be caused by wearing a cap for long periods of time, but mostly could be either from an irritation from either a product, but also The type of hair loss that Cody is experiencing, androgenetic alopecia, sometimes could come along with some inflammatory responses, and that could be as a result. However, when it comes to hair products or any serums, contact dermatitis would happen early on when one starts using the product.
Okay, so that I think that's really valuable. What she just and I like how, so she said towards the part about your dermatitis. She said that in her opinion, and she's an actual expert. Like, this is the first time that we've had like an actual expert in this field offer any type of opinion on anything that we've talked about here on the channel, including especially your situation. So I thought that was really cool that she took the time to do that. But she said that dermatitis, if it was caused by the product, would have shown up much earlier and not 9 months into the cycle. And that makes a lot of sense to me.
It does. Yeah, it would have been an initial reaction.
Yeah. Okay. So we got one more. So that was from the expert. So this next one, I believe, is going to be actually from someone from Scandinavian Biolabs. They'll introduce themselves.
Hi, Mike. Hi, Cody. Thank you very much for allowing us into this journey that you've been on. And we have a few comments on the results that you've had. So thank you very much for that. My name is Nils. I am co-founder and chief operating officer here at Scandinavian Biolabs, and I have myself been on a bit of a journey with my hair too. When I was 23 years old, I decided that it was game over for my hair. Decided to trim the rest and spent 4 years as almost bald. And that was until we finalized the development and launched the Biopelixin routine that you have been using as well. Cody, first and foremost, congratulations on your journey and the results. I'm happy to see that you have definitely seen less hair loss, less shedding on a daily basis, and also that your hair appears thicker and fuller. I hope that this adds to your daily hair confidence, as this is ultimately why we're here. A few comments. I think one of the most important things about your journey is the consistency. So you've been following the instructions and applied the serum on a daily basis, and you've been very consistent with using shampoo and conditioner too. This is fundamental. With our formulations, which are predominantly based on naturally active ingredients, if you don't have consistency, we are unable to guarantee the results. So thumbs up for that. Secondly, what's really important is setting some clear expectations. Our promise is that you will use, by using the products, you will see less shedding and ultimately thicker and stronger appearing hair. And I think that is growing obviously from the existing follicles. And I think that is exactly what we see with you, that within 3 to 6 months, you already start realizing that you have less shedding on a daily basis. Whereas after 5 months, coming into 9 and 12 months, we see a thicker, fuller, stronger hair altogether. So congratulations on that. We have been very, very happy to help you out, and looking forward to keep helping you in the future to build even stronger hair confidence. So congratulations, Cody, and thank you, Mike, for allowing us on this video. Thanks from Scandinavian Biolabs.
All right, I like that guy.
Yeah, no, super personable.
Yeah, I liked him a lot. I like both of those. I thought that was really cool that that both of them took the time to respond. I'm sure they're very busy, so the fact that they both took the time to do this was incredible. So I really liked how he touched on a few questions that I think people have, which is like, what are we going to expect to see? And how do we manage those expectations? And he talked a lot about how the expectation really isn't to do, you and I like to call it Teen Wolf, where you just completely changed and suddenly you're covered in hair like a bear rug. Yeah, that would be incredible to see, but that's not quite the expectations even they put forward. And so what he described the expectation to be, I think, is exactly where you're at, which is less shedding and the hair that is strong, to maintain that strength of the hair that's hanging on, and to improve that and strengthen that so that your loss is really stymied a little bit. And and so I mean, what did you think?
No, I think that he's completely right. When the appropriate expectations are there, it's not a miracle drug. Nothing can really do that, but it can help strengthen and protect what's already there. I can agree with that's been the direction.
He talked a lot about consistency too, which I think is key. That something that I think we have kind of glossed over, but I mean, this is 9 months in of you sticking with this same kit, using it regularly, not kind of shoving it to the side and skipping it and all that. And so people at home, that type of consistency and commitment is really what's needed. You can't use this for 30 days and then just be like, it's whatever. Right. You got to really use it. And Cody's been at it for 9 months. So people at home need to, I think, kind of take note of that. And so I've been really happy to see that you've stuck with it. And anything else you want to add as we go into the last leg of this year-long test?
I do like the products. Like I said, as a standalone product in of itself, it's just a nice thing to have in the routine. But I think that with the appropriate expectation, everything's been going like it's supposed to. So
perfect. Okay, well, I'm going to let you go, and we're going to keep at it, and we will check back in with you to finish this full year test out. Thanks so much for all your help.
Not a problem, bud. Thanks.
See ya. All right, that's pretty much it, what we got today. I hope you guys enjoyed checking out this 9-month update. I think Cody's really happy with the results so far. We will have one more update when we finally reach that 1 year mark. I am really excited to see how this whole thing wraps up. Once again, if you guys want to participate in this with us and get your own kit from Scandinavian Biolabs, I will leave a link in the description down below for you to check those out for yourself. I think their kit really does do something pretty special. So check them out if you're interested. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by leaving a like, leaving a comment, and hitting that subscribe button. That's a huge deal for me. Thank you very much in advance for doing that, and take it easy. I'll see you next time.